In the quest to maximize savings, mastering the art of meal prep can be a game changer. Efficient meal prep not only saves time, but also significantly cuts down on food costs. The key lies in planning and preparing meals ahead of time. Start by creating a weekly meal plan that includes breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. This plan not only helps you stay organized, but also prevents last-minute impulse purchases. When grocery shopping, stick to your list and buy in bulk whenever possible to benefit from discounts. Invest in quality storage containers to store prepped ingredients and meals, ensuring they stay fresh for longer. Cooking in batches is a crucial aspect of meal prep. Spend a few hours on a weekend cooking large portions of staple foods like grains, proteins, and vegetables. These can then be mixed and matched throughout the week to create diverse and tasty meals. Additionally, consider preparing grab-and-go items like overnight oats, salads in jars, or pre-portioned snacks for easy access during busy days. By having meals ready to go, you are less likely to order takeout or dine out, saving a substantial amount of money in the long run. Embrace the concept of cook once, eat twice to repurpose leftovers creatively. Transforming last night's roasted vegetables into a hearty soup or incorporating leftover chicken into a flavorful stir-fry not only reduces waste, but also adds variety to your meals. Moreover, by reducing food waste, you contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle. The benefits of meal prep extend beyond financial savings. It promotes healthier eating habits as you have control over ingredients and portions. With practice, meal prep becomes a streamlined process that can fit seamlessly into your routine, offering a stress-free solution to the perpetual question of what's for dinner. Mastering meal prep empowers you to take charge of your budget, health, and time, making it a valuable skill for a well-rounded lifestyle.